Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to help you master your money. Today, we're tackling how to categorize transactions in PocketGuard, a super handy feature that can transform the way you track your spending. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First off, what's PocketGuard? It's a user-friendly app designed to help you monitor your bank accounts, credit cards, and budgets all in one place. One of its standout features is automatic transaction categorization, but sometimes you need to tweak it for accuracy. Why bother? Well, proper categorization gives you a clear picture of your spending habits, helps you spot unnecessary expenses, and keeps you on track with your financial goals. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening the PocketGuard app on your phone and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Transactions tab, which is usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of your recent transactions. Tap on the one you want to categorize. Maybe that coffee run is showing up as dining, when it should be groceries. Now, look for the edit icon, often a pencil or 3 dots next to the transaction. This will open up options to change the category. Scroll through the preset categories like food, transportation, or entertainment, or create a custom one if it doesn't fit. For example, if you have a business expense, you might want to add a work category. After selecting or creating the right one, hit Save or Confirm to apply the changes. A quick tip: if you categorize transactions regularly, PocketGuard will learn from your habits and auto-categorize similar ones in the future, saving you time. If you run into issues, like a transaction not showing up, double-check your account sync settings in the app's settings menu. There you have it. Categorizing transactions in PocketGuard is straightforward and empowers you to take control of your finances. Try it out today and watch your budgeting game level up. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.